at San Pasqual High School has a new accolade to be proud of. Their robotics team was recently ranked 121 out of nearly 3,700 teams. And in their division, they're 12th out of 75. So with me now is robotics team coach Eli Yuva. Good morning, Eli. Good to see you again.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Congratulations on your recent graduation from SDSU as well.
Thank you.
I was shocked to learn last time we were talking as the robotics coach that you were actually still in college.
Yep.
But it's great for your students because you have brought new life to this robotics program at San Pasqual High School. I hope that's okay for me to say, my opinion. But you've done so well and so much with the program. Tell us about these rankings that have come out.
So being ranked 121 of 3,700 is like a very big achievement for us. We haven't done that any other time than once. So it's been really cool. And then our actual ranking was based on our average score in our division. So being ranked 12 of 75 was really awesome. We were in a very competitive division at the World Championship, so it was great.
So what do you attribute your success in this area?
It's definitely my mentor. So in high school, the way I teach my students now, I had people who were teaching me. And one of my mentors, Jim Sikora, he was a retired mechanical engineer. He told me, don't ever thank me, but just pass it forward. Teach someone what I've taught you. And I've always held that true to me.
That's amazing. I mean, here you are, a college student who could easily just, you know, work on your own future, but you're really helping to enlighten our next generation. So I know we're so grateful for that. But tell us a little bit about what's coming up with the robotics program, because I know you were here last time for recent competitions that were going on. I think you were at the World Robotics. Is that the picture that we're looking at? The World Robotics competition. That was in Texas, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did that go? And then what's next on the agenda?
Yeah, so the World Championship was great. That was in the end of April. Coming up next, we're now in our off season. So we go to 3 competitions a year for off season. And the current one that's coming up is called Fairbotics. So it's a competition held at the Del Mar Fairgrounds Arena during the actual fair. And it's on the 19th and 20th, so there'll be around 40 other high schools there, and it'll be pretty awesome. So
this is June 19th and 20th, and people at home, you can go as part of the fair. You can go and watch this competition. What will they see? Like the typical fighting robots, or are they shooting hoops, or what are they doing?
Yeah, so this year's robot, it's the same sort of deal that we competed with. So it was picking up the industrial kind of PVC pipe stuff, and then also picking up the kickball. So that was what the game was this year. But I gotta say, this is a very exciting game for someone who is an engineer versus someone who is not. So it's a really fun one. There will be 6 robots on the field at all times.
Okay, let's talk about the hardware you have here. Cosmic 2025 second place. What is this?
Yeah.
And it lights up.
It does. So yeah, this was part of the Cosmic Lunar Rover mining competition I was a part of. So at SDSU, my senior design capstone project was actually designing and building a lunar rover. So it was very similar to like the FRC robots I did, and it was the perfect project for me and myself and 15 other engineers. Built this robot, and we actually competed at Iowa State University, got home yesterday, and we actually placed second and won the Autonomy Award and the second place in construction. So it was pretty awesome.
So have you taken this to your students yet at San Pasqual? Have they seen it?
They have not seen this, so I'll probably bring it in today. But yeah, they'll be proud of us. And one of our other mentors was also on the Lunabotics team with me. So yeah.
Gosh, such success, and we're just, so excited for you.
Thank you.
You may just have a rover on Mars one day, right?
I'm hoping. That's the dream.
That's the dream. Okay, well, there we go. Well, it's going to be the dream of a lot of your students, too. So
Absolutely.
This is really exciting, and we hope everyone comes out to watch your team with a lot of other high school teams, probably some from San Diego, compete
tons of them.
at the Fairbotics.
Yeah, and it's put on by Poway High School's team. So a lot of local North County stuff, as well as all over the county. So
fantastic, Eli. Thank you so much, and best of luck.
Thank you.
All right.